Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're making a simple dessert. We're going to be making a chocolate pudding, and we're going to be using some golden tree chocolate, King's Bite, as well as some Gold Coast cocoa powder, both made in Ghana, so that's always a good thing. We're going to be needing some vanilla powder, some milk, some butter, some cornstarch, some cocoa powder, some sugar, and of course a bit of salt. So first thing we want to do is get the milk into a pot, and then we're going to add our vanilla powder, or if you don't have vanilla powder you can use vanilla essence, and then we're going to be adding some sugar as well as the cocoa. Now you want to dissolve the cornstarch in a little bit of the liquid. You don't want to pour it straight into the milk because it's probably going to take you forever to dissolve properly, and then you can pour that into the mixture. So now at this point, we're also going to be adding our chocolate bars. The dark cocoa powder is already quite rich on its own, so we don't want to overdo it with the chocolate. So we're just going to take 4 pieces from the bar and then put that in as well. If you want like a deeper, darker, richer chocolate flavor, then you can also use dark chocolate, and that is also fine. So at this point, we're just going to make sure that we cook the mixture until it is thickened. Once you take this off the stove, it is not going to have that pudding texture just yet, and you're going to have to set it in the fridge. For this recipe, leaving it overnight or leaving it for a day to set will give you the perfect consistency. Also, this pudding is not super thick. You can check out the full times recipes, ingredients, and quantities up on gingerandseasalt.com. So once that's all done, we're also going to add a bit of butter, and then we're going to portion them into the glass jars. If you don't want a skin on this, you can put some plastic wrap onto the surface of the pudding and chill it. In this case, I didn't really mind because I was going to put some whipped cream on top as well, so that was really not an issue. So these have set now. They've been in the fridge for about 18 to 24 hours. That's the consistency we want. It is not runny, but then it's also not super thick, and that's what we want. We want a nice, light, indulgent chocolate pudding. Got your beautiful and very simple dessert. Give it a go if you can. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next one. Happy eating!